Well, we just turned up at Twisted Towers. Yay! Vince has nicked my bird.
Well, I've had hawks and falcons. It's all set up for video. Yeah, I've held hawks and falcons, but this is the very first owl I've ever held. And he is absolutely stunning.
Dave's had a held, now Vince is having a hold. And
Yeah.
I think they're in love.
Beautiful.
You really are stunning.
We're going to have a chat.
Told you there was something special. Oh, Paul's got the camera up the wrong way.
Well, good afternoon. We went to Twisted Towers yesterday to meet Vince, Twisted Koi. I'm just overwhelmed. It was a fantastic day. Really, really enjoyed it. As you can tell, I've got Mister on my shoulders, Thor. He went with us. Vince liked him. I think he was a bit overwhelmed of what he was and that, but Dave from Koi Karma, he loved him as well, and yeah, I thought Thor has actually got his own keyring. Not that he's bothered, but just if I can show you, it's on his perch. Look, Vince. Not that he's on his perch, but yes, he's got a Twisted Koi keyring all for himself on his perch, which Twisted gave him yesterday, and I had strict instructions that is for Thor only. So yeah, Thor is a bit wet because he's just landed in the fish pond. Who don't like really staying on his perch, as you can tell. But yeah, I think he's just watching the fish. Are you, mister? Thor, come on. There you go. So yeah, I just love meeting Vince's parents, his son and daughter, and his wife, and it was just a fantastic day. We just got back too late to do any videos or anything, and I was just so knackered. It was just outstanding day. I've been really busy this week. I went to Secret Sankey on Sunday, part 2. We do on Monday, Tuesday. I had to chauffeur my son around for his college and work and whatnot. We went and brought some more plants, because I brought, if Dora let me have my hand back. Go on your perch, darling. No, on my shoulder then. On the elbow. Brought some of these plant buckets. You can get them 10 for, I can't remember how much, off Amazon. And they come with hooks, and you can hook them on a fence or whatever. So yeah, they're going to be hung on my trellis. Thank you. So hooey top now. What are you doing, mister? Hey? What are you doing? Yeah, I've got some herbs and that to go in, as well as flowers. So I'm going to crack on and get them done. And that. And oh, I nearly forgot. Oh gosh. Vince is gonna kill me. But oh, I got something very, very special yesterday as well. Not just Thor, but yeah, you get your bum out my face and stuff. I got really, really special. I got a twisted mug. Outstanding, Vince. I love it. And it says on the back, I see you. So yes. Oh, what are you doing? So yeah, I got a twisted koi mug, and that is my pride and joy now. Yeah, I love my animals and they're my pride and joy, but this as well. So yeah, I'm very, very pleased with that. My husband's going to put me some books up, and yeah, I'll show you when they're all up. But that is a YouTuber mug. I haven't paid for it, so yeah, I'll pay for the rest, but hey hey. Yeah, so I'll get back to you in a bit. Well, we're redoing our pond bit, the netting. I didn't like the mesh net, so I've gone with wire net. What we're doing is doing it halfway up, sort of there, and then we're going to put a barrier going across like that. I'm going to paint them black, like that. I'm going to paint them black so they sort of blend in, so if anybody leans over it's a bit more stable. So yeah, what I'm going to do is get on with that, and then I'll get back to you and show you when it's done. Well, I've just been a busy little bee. I'm going to spin you around and show you my little buckets and show you what I've done. They're all filled with my plants and herbs and spices, and yeah, they're all along my trellis and that. I don't say so, and it's looking good. I've painted these now and put them it all along, and yeah, so, and we've decorated the top. I don't know if you can see it in this light, but we've got all dangly chimes and whatnot. Yeah, my husband's got his Buddha. Not what he wants, but he wants a proper one. But he can wait for that. I've just got to alter this door because we're half netting it like the rest, and that with the same net as what's on the rest. So all my plants and that are doing well in there. I'm getting cucumbers and that. So yeah, it's looking a bit busy round here. So, and the ices and all my other flowers. Oh look, show you my bike. My planter bike. And my planter wellies. So yeah. Getting strawberries as well. They're all the other side of this because my puppy likes to chew and eat my plants. So yeah, that's my planting for today. I saw this thing and I thought, Vince, sorry Vince, but it had to be. I've brought you something. You might love it, you might hate it. It says, keep calm and eat cupcakes. Got a picture of cupcakes. Yeah, it's pink. And I just had to do it. I'm sorry. Yeah. But I'll bring that down next time we come down. Okay. I think I've baffled on enough. So, yeah. I'll catch you on the next one. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it.